going on, everybody? It's your girl, SnkrMom, back in the building, back with another review for you guys. Today I'm going to be reviewing the new Yeezy 350 Turtle Dove. Let's get into it. First, you're going to start out with the box. You got 350 on the top of the box. You got your boost right here on the side. Right here it says Yeezy 350, made by Adidas. But then we're going to get to the front of the box and it reads Yeezy Boost 350, and the colorway is turtle, blue gray, and sea white. Let's get into the insides. Opening up the box, you got the pull-out box. Pulling it out, you got the same cream tissue paper that's normally on the inside of the boxes. Nothing spectacular. But let's get into the main ingredient of this video, and that is the Yeezy 350 Turtle Dove. Alright. First, I want to start off by saying this is a beautiful shoe. I'm so excited to be able to finally have these in hand. I really wanted them. As we all know, I struck out on Yeezy Day, so of course, had to go to the aftermarket for these. I just had to do it. This was a shoe I really wanted, so I went for it. Actually, didn't pay too much over the normal retail price for it, so I was actually excited about that. I just grabbed one that said the damaged box. And as you can see, the box really wasn't even that damaged. So, hey, I'll take it. And I still only paid like $2.90 for these. So, to me, that was like a steal just for that little bit of dent on the top of the box. I mean, who cares about the box? I mean, unless you're going to trade your shoes in or, sell them to resell them or something like that. For me, these are staying in the collection. So, the box didn't really matter to me. So, here we go. The Yeezy Boost 350 Turtle Dove. And man. So excited. But let's get into the aspects of the shoe. As we can see, we got this off white cream Primeknit with your gray going throughout the whole shoe. With you have a little line right here on the front of the toe with black stitching going across the front of the toe right here. You got these nice shoestrings right here. They got the I would say black and cream stitching going throughout the shoestrings. Of course, no extra shoestrings. We know this is original. First, these came out back in 2015 when they first debuted. Just now coming back out again in 2022. So, of course, as we all know, everyone was going for these. Yeezy Day was crazy. Couldn't hit them on Yeezy Day. Couldn't even get in the queue to try to go for them. But, thank goodness sometimes for the aftermarket. Because without them, then, hey, I would have been able to get them. So, I can't talk too badly about the aftermarket. So, but yeah, let's continue to talk about the shoe. We're going to turn to the back. You got this little pull tab right here. It has the yellow stitch, the red stitching coming through the back of the pull tab. We're going to go to the inside shoe. It just says Adidas Yeezy in black, which is really hard to see. We're going to go around to this side right here where it says Yeezy right here in this black suede. Hope y'all can see it. Just say YZY for Yeezy. We're going to go to the bottom of the shoe. Of course, we know it got that boost right here on the bottom of the shoe, which is the main ingredient of the shoes these days. But these Yeezys is all about the boost. Love the boost in the shoe. And yeah, that's pretty much it. This is just a classic shoe. Wasn't able to get it back in 2015. The resale back then was just crazy. So I'm excited that Adidas actually did come back out with these, even though we know Yeezy, Kanye wasn't too happy about it. But sorry, Kanye, we need these again. So we just glad we was able to get them. And yeah, that's pretty much it I got for this shoe. This was the right shoe. Looks the same. Let's go to the left shoe. Looks the same as that way. You got the same off-white and gray stitching going throughout the whole shoe. And they call it gray, but to me it kind of looks like it's just cream and black. So I'm just going to go with the cream and black colorway. Primeknit come across the whole shoe, all across the upper. You got the cream and black shoestrings right here. Like I said, no extra laces. Classic shoe. You don't need no extra laces with these. You just keep these in and you roll with them. We got the nice off-white bottom right here, rubber bottom right here, off-white, nice color. Of course, you got that boost on the bottom. We're going to still flip back to the back. You got that pull tab with that red stitching in the back. And then also on the inside of this shoe still says Yeezy Adidas, no globe like some of the newer models have. the V2 models have. Then we got a little like, and then in the back of the heel, it has a little like a little extra padding in the back of the heel. I don't think y'all can really see that, but in the back of the heel, there's a little extra padding in the back. I know they said those wasn't on the original ones that came out in 2015, so that was something that they added to it. So I'm glad about that because that gives you the extra comfort in the back of the shoe. And then that's pretty much it overall. I know they said the bottoms on the old ones started to crack up and all. I hope these don't do that. I hope they fix it in the new models that they made in the new ones. But we just gonna have to see, because I mean, I know a lot of people said that they did crack back in the day. But yeah, I'm just gonna have to see. As you can see, it's got that boost right here on the bottom, all that boost, and it says Adidas. Like I said, overall, just had to have this shoe. It's a V1, so I don't have any V1s in the collection. This is my first one. And yeah, I'm just excited. They came with this little tags on the side. It just says Yeezy Boost 350 Originals. Then you got the size right here on the side, on this tab right here. And then this one right here doesn't really say anything. It's just an extra little piece that they got on there also. So that's what comes on the side of the shoe. So I know if you, they say that if you can know if you're getting fakes or not, that these pull tabs will only be on the left shoe. So if you do get these in the aftermarket and when they come to you, make sure these pull tabs are actually on the left shoe. Because if they're on the right shoe, then you might have a fake pair. Hopefully you don't. But like I would say, I would only go through GOAT or eBay or, you know, something like that. Wouldn't go through StockX. I mean, StockX has too many problems these days. So if you're trying to get a shoe and you want to be, you know, comfortable with getting it, I would go through GOAT or eBay. I got these off of GOAT. And yeah, I'm very satisfied with them. And yeah, y'all let me know down in the comment below. Did y'all go for the 350 Turtle Doves on Yeezy Day? Was you able to cop them? Did you pass them? Y'all let me know down in the comment below what y'all think about them. Do you think these was worth them re-releasing? Or do you think they should just stuck with the ones that came out from the first time? Y'all let me know down in the comments below. But yeah, that's pretty much it. We got the Yeezy 350 Turtle Dove. I'm going to give y'all a little 360. Y'all let me know what y'all think about these down in the comment below. For me, this was a must cop. Now I'm glad I got these in the collection. But one thing I will say is, in order for you to keep these bottoms, you know, white, if you really want to keep them white, I would go with some of those, what they call drip grip things to put on the bottom of the shoe to save it from getting really messed up. I don't know. I don't usually put those on my shoes, but I know since these are a classic shoe, I might put some on there, but I don't know. I feel like I'm just gonna throw these on and just go with it. You know, it's just some shoes. And also I want to say sizing wise, go a half a size up. I was listening to all the other reviews and they said they was a little loose to go true to size. Went true to size, got a size 6, and they are a little snug at the top. But thankfully, once I pull out the once I take this out, then they give me my little extra room that I'm used to having. But I would recommend, if you're going for these and you haven't got them yet, go a half a size up or either a whole size up, and you should be good. Don't go true to size like everybody's saying, because they're not just like the V2s. They fit a little bit snug since I went with my original size. So like I said, I usually go half a size up. I didn't this time, but it's all good. I know next time to make sure I stick with my normal size. But if you're going for these and you haven't got them yet, go half a size up or go a whole size up. But yeah, that's pretty much all I got for y'all. If you're new to watching my channel, hit that notification bell. Hit that subscribe button so you can know when I post all my videos. I said that backwards, you know what I mean. Follow me on Instagram at SnkrMom1721. And until the next time, it's your girl SnkrMom. Peace.